In this video, I will show you how to gift a game that you already own on Steam. So what I'll be doing is explaining what happens when you already own a Steam game and want to gift it to a friend, as well as what options you may have for gifting games on Steam. Whether you're trying to gift a game from your Steam library, purchase a copy for a friend, or understand Steam's gifting options, this guide will help you figure out the best way to send a game to someone else. If this video helps you out today, don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Steam tutorials, gaming tips, and easy tech guides. So here we are on Steam. Now the first thing you're going to want to do once you're logged in is come and click onto the Steam store. Once you've done that, you can search the store for a game that you already own that you want to gift to someone on Steam. In this example, I'm going to search for Terraria, which is a game that I already own. So as you can see, when I click to be taken to the game page, you can see Terraria is already in my library as I already own this game. Now from here, what you want to do is scroll down to the buy-in section and click the option for the version that you want to add to your cart. So I'm going to click onto the original version of Terraria, so I'm going to click add to cart. And what's going to happen is a window is going to pop up like this. Now on this window that pops up, what you want to do is come down to this box here, where as you can see it says for my account. Give that a click and choose the option which says this is a gift. And then what you can do is click on to view my cart. So here we are in my Steam shopping cart. You can see it's currently here, and you can see underneath there is a button to continue to gift options. Give that a click, that's going to open up some more options. And what you can do at this point is either select a Steam recipient, so if you have them added as a friend on Steam, you can of course select them from here, and it's going to tell you if any of your friends already own this game as well. Alternatively, what you can do is enter an email address for the gift recipient into the box here. Scrolling down a bit, you can then add a gift message. So say you're purchasing this for someone's birthday or something like that, you can put something like happy birthday, enjoy the game, something like that. And if you scroll down a bit further, you can see your delivery options. So you can send this straight away as soon as possible, or what you can do is schedule the delivery for a time and date as well, if you want to send it to them on the date of their birthday or something like that. So once you've done that, what you can do is click the continue to payment option, and then all you need to do is go through and fill out your payment details for how you want to pay for the game. Once you've done that, the game will be sent as a gift either via email or directly to your friend on Steam if you have them added as a friend. And that's how to gift a game that you already own on Steam. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.